Why does 1 in 1, 0 equals true evaluate to false? When I was looking at answers to this question, I found I didn't understand my own answer. I don't really understand how this is being parsed. Why does the second example return false? Thanks for any help. I think I must be missing something really obvious. I think this is subtly different to the linked duplicate. Why does the expression 0 is lower than 0 equals 0 return false in Python? Both questions are to do with human comprehension of the expression. There seem to be two ways, to my mind, of evaluating the expression. Of course neither were correct, but in my example, the last interpretation is impossible. Looking at 0 is lower than 0 equals 0, you could imagine each half being evaluated and making sense as an expression. So the link answers why this evaluates false. But with my example 1 in 1, 0 equals true doesn't make sense as an expression, so instead of there being two, admittedly wrong possible interpretations, only one seems possible.
Python actually applies comparison operator chaining here. The expression is translated to, which is obviously false. This also happens for expressions like, which translate to. Without evaluating B twice. See the Python language documentation for further details.
That's for sure.